Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a confirmation message after submitting Google Forms. This is a great way to reassure your respondents that their submission went through and provide them with a copy of their responses for their records. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account where your forms are stored, as this will give you access to all your existing forms and settings. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms where all your previously created forms are displayed. Browse through and click on the specific form you want to add a confirmation message to. This will open up the form editor where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Now look at the top toolbar of your form editor. You'll see several options available, including questions, responses, and settings. Click on Settings. This is where you can configure various options related to how your form behaves and what happens after someone submits it. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice different tabs. Navigate to the one labeled Responses and click on the arrow beside it to expand this section. This area controls how Google Forms handles the information that people submit through your form. Here's where the confirmation setup begins. Look for the option that says Collect Email Addresses. Next to it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Responder Input. This setting allows respondents to provide their email addresses so they can receive a confirmation copy of their submission. It's an essential step because without collecting their email, Google Forms won't know where to send the confirmation. Now scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Send Responders a copy of their response. This is the key feature that creates your confirmation message. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Always. By choosing this option, every person who fills out your form will automatically receive an email with a copy of their responses immediately after submission. This serves as both a confirmation that their form went through and a record they can keep for their own reference. And that's it. You've successfully set up a confirmation message for your Google form. Your respondents will now receive an automatic email confirmation every time they submit the form, giving them peace of mind and a handy record of what they submitted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.